Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will visit Bhopal on February 24th to attend a major farmers' gathering at Jawahar Chowk. The event is being organized to protest against the proposed Indo-US trade deal. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge will also be present as a key speaker. Rahul Gandhi is expected to reach Bhopal at 1 pm and the program will begin at 2 pm. Party leaders say the Mahachopal aims to raise farmers' concern about crops prices and trade policies. Local Congress workers are preparing for a large turnout of farmers from different districts of Madhya Pradesh. During the budget session of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav announced that the state will provide price difference compensation for mustard crops. The move aims to protect farmers if market prices fall below the minimum support price. The Chief Minister also said the government will focus more on urad production instead of moong and provide bonus support. Before the session began, Congress MLAs protested outside the assembly against the India-US Free Trade Agreement. Some leaders wore masks of US President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the protest. A car accident took place near Shahpura Lake in Bhopal on Monday. The vehicle suddenly lost control and crashed into a street light pole near the Institute of Hotel Management. The front portion of the car was badly damaged. According to eyewitnesses, the driver had just filled fuel at a nearby petrol pump and was returning when he felt severe chest pain. Due to his health condition, he lost control of the car. Only the driver was inside the vehicle at the time of the accident. He was immediately taken for medical attention. Police are investigating the incident. Bhopal MP Alok Sharma held a high-level meeting at the collectorate to discuss removing encroachment and pollution from Bada Talab. He asked officials to prepare a fresh master plan for the lake area. During the meeting, questions were raised about pending encroachments near Bhadbada Dam. The MP said that 227 huts were removed earlier but 26 still remain. He expressed concern over delays in action. He also mentioned land disputes linked to the Waqf board, saying development projects like metro expansion face challenges due to land ownership issues. A 21-year-old beautician from Chhattisgarh has filed a complaint in Bhopal accusing 3 people of rape and forcing religious conversion. Police arrested the main accused Amreen, her sister Afrin and their friend Chandan Yadav. The victim alleged that she was given intoxicating substance before being assaulted. Another 32-year-old woman also approached the police and claimed that she was pressured to change her religion after assault. She said she was forced to wear a burqa and offer namaz. Police are investigating the case and further legal action is underway. The Madhya Pradesh board examination for classes 10th and 12th are ongoing. On Monday, 7 cheating cases were reported during the class 12th biology exams. 3 cases were reported from Morena while 1 case each came from Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Dewas. Officials say the student used micro notes, writing on hands, hidden notes in shoes and socks, Bluetooth devices and copying in washrooms. Authorities are closely monitoring exam center to prevent malpractice. According to the timetable, the class 10th mathematics exams will be held on Tuesday and the class 12th math exams on Wednesday. Bollywood actor and producer Arbaz Khan is currently in Bhopal for shooting his new film. The movie produced under his banner is Untitled and has been filming in the city since February 8th. The shooting schedule will continue until March 15. Most scenes are being shot in old city areas like Iqbal Maidan, Ibrahimpura, Chowk Market, Gurjarpura and Kohi-Fiza. Large crowds of local residents have gathered to watch the shooting. The film team has also been seen using a vintage car for some scenes, creating excitement among fans in the city. Unseasonal rain hit several parts of Madhya Pradesh due to low pressure area and trough system. Heavy hailstorms were reported in Shivpuri while rainfall occurred in Jabalpur and nearby districts. Crops such as mustard, gram, wheat and tomatoes have suffered major damage. Areas including Pichor, Karera, Narwar and Shivpuri Tehsil recorded rainfall. Villages like Lalbagh, Raishri and Tonga witnessed large hailstones covering fields in white layers. Farmers are worried about heavy losses just before harvest season. Officials are assessing crop damage and further action may be taken after surveys are completed.